I'm about to board this boat and depart Helsinki, Finland for Tallinn, Estonia, crossing the Gulf of Finland with St. Petersburg, Russia to the east and Stockholm, Sweden to the west. There are plenty of things to do on board. Besides the view, there are bars, restaurants, dance halls, even a casino. And here we go, saying goodbye to Helsinki. We are now leaving Helsinki. Stockholm. And to our right, St. Petersburg, Russia. Straight ahead is Tallinn, Estonia, which is where we're going.
Hyvää iltapäivää, arvoisat matkustajat. Kapteeni Strömbergin mielestäni toivottaa teidät tervetulleeksi Eckeröään Finlandialle.
Now, if you think you're confused about hearing the Hotel California on a ship between Finland and Estonia, imagine how the poor fellow to the left must feel. He was just trying to get to the supermarket and ended up in the Gulf of Finland. That's rough. Here we are, coming into Tallinn, Estonia. Alright, I'm excited to be arriving in Tallinn. It's supposed to have an absolutely gorgeous medieval old city. And I'm excited to get out there and see it. Looking forward to it. Alright, Estonia, here I come.